What's up, y'all? This your boy James on the media coming back at y'all again. Don't mind my little bro just sleeping. Finna clean these Air Force Ones, man. As y'all see, they dirty as hell. Y'all can see the Air Force Ones, they pretty dirty. So I'm about to clean them. Put the box on the floor. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with the dirtiest one first. So I got these Air Force Ones right here. They dirty. So what I'm gonna do is, I got this bucket right here. Let me put my ring down. Got this bucket right here. It's got like soap and water. Got this bucket. I should stand up and doing this too, but it won't work though. I got this bucket. So I'm gonna just dip it up in here. I got a toothbrush. Just do it like the old times and just start scrubbing the shoe. Start scrubbing the shoe off. Scrubbing on the muddy parts. I don't know if y'all can see. I'm right here with it. But scrubbing hard, you gotta really scrub hard. Get all the marks off. Just dip it again. And you wanna put it right here, just in case. Just scrub. I'll probably get a cup of water too. But yeah, just keep scrubbing, man. Just keep scrubbing. Cause you know, white Air Force Ones, you know, they get dirty quick. But you know, you wanna keep scrubbing. Back. My arm's kinda getting a little tired, you dig? Just keep scrubbing. I'll probably go get like a cup of water, so get like a cup of water. I'll be back, folks. I'm gonna put my camera down because I don't want y'all watching my bro. There's some creepy mother effers on here. Since I don't have a washcloth, let me see, pull the camera up a little bit. Since I don't have a washcloth, I'm gonna just dump the water like this. Get all that dirt out of the shoe. Down. Which has some more water though. I gotta get some more water. I know this gonna be back and forth, but hey, I'm giving y'all content. Okay, I had to pull it all the way to the top. I might have to bring like 2 cups of water. Hey, I ain't rich like these rappers, man. They can go around and put like a whole lot. There you go. There you go. Spread right there. See how I look? See how I really look though? You see it was really dirty, but you see how I really got it clean though? So that's how we gonna be doing it. Put the cup right there. So I'll go clean the front part. You see how dirty that front part is? Very dirty. Oh man. Just gonna move my camera to the side here. Y'all see how it's very dirty and stuff. So we go scrub that front part. I'm just stand up with this real quick. Just scrub this part right here, the front side. The front side is very dirty. You want to make sure you scrub that front side all around. Now, I ain't got no professional works either. No, it's homemade. You want to scrub that top too. Just scrub. Scrub. Do it again. Scrub. Scrub. Make sure all the dirt off. And you might have some yellow stains. So you could either go on YouTube. They got videos on YouTube. So I seen a couple YouTubers. They found some shoes in the beach, some old Air Jordan 4s from like the 80s, and they cleaned them and they look brand new. So you could get those tools, whatever they working with, or you just put some white out on it. Like Air Force Ones, you probably just need some white out, you know, to cover the yellow stain. It'll be all good. So you see how it's fading away, it's coming off. So once again, dry that off. And right here you could put some water. Put some water right here and just drown it right there. Drown it right there. And you see how it's coming off. It's coming off. The yellow marks and stuff. Well, not the yellow marks, but the dirt. Cause you see how dirty it was. Look at this. Look how white it looks now. Look how white it is now. It's getting there, baby. It's getting, like I said, I'm not gonna get rid of the yellow marks because I don't have the tools for that. I'm getting rid of the dark marks. So we're gonna do this side now. Make sure y'all like and comment, man. Make sure y'all like and comment. Let me lower the camera just a little bit. No, we doing this ghetto fabulous style, you know what I'm saying? We gonna do this side though. Dip it up in here. We gonna start scrubbing. Start scrubbing that side. You see right here, we scrubbing. Scrubbing. Making sure the shoe is clean. This side don't really got that much dirt like the other side did. But we still gonna get it clean. You dig? Making sure the shoe is clean. No, most likely I'm gonna just get some white out. Then I'll probably show y'all the results on Instagram. You can follow my Instagram at James O'Neal Official. And I'll show y'all the reaction from, well, not the reaction, but the results. Just getting it together though. No, Air Force Ones is pretty hard, man, to keep up with. You know, they get dirty. You know what I'm saying? They get dirty a lot, so it's really hard to maintain them clean. But you know, we try. Clean the tongue part off too. I might have to stand up for this part, the tongue. Got the, not the tongue, but this part, the back part. The back piece right here. Just want to scrub that one too. The back pretty dirty too. Scrub. Ain't nothing like a good pair of Air Force Ones though. There we go. See how the dirt coming off? So what we gonna do, we gonna sit this shoe down. Sit it on the other side. Watch, sit it right here. Go fill up some more water. We'll be right back. I can't edit on here because I'm on DJI Moto because I would have paused it. Trying to get through this damn door. My bad, folks. Got the water filled up. I guess because I got the box in the way. I'm about to move the box the other way. Move the box the other way. Like I said, don't remind my brother, man. He's just sleeping. Alright. So we go dump the water up in here. Get all the dirt out. You dig? All the shoe. You see it's gonna be yellow stains though. But we just